Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2001 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. In the TTL circuit shown in the figure, S2 to S1, S2 to S0 are select lines and X7 to X0 are input lines. This is 8 to 1 multiplexer. It is 8 to 1 multiplexer. This is 8 to 1 multiplexer. It has 3 select lines and 8 input lines, 1 output. So what is the output Y? Y is function of okay, ABC. Y is function of ABC because it is a 8 to 1 multiplexer. It can be realized. A 3 variable expression can be realized. Those 3 variables are connected as ABC, and this gate is going to be OR gate. This is OR gate. So 0 plus C is nothing but you are connecting it C. S2, S1, S0 are nothing but CBA. Okay, so now it is function of, so this is S2 is nothing but, generally we will think it is S2 is nothing but MSB and S0 is LSB. So instead of writing ABC, we will write it as CBA because MSB is nothing but C in this case. So F can be written as sigma M of minterms. For what minterms? It is going to be connected at 1, that has to be considered for the function. So now logic 1 is going to be connected at X0. Okay, logic 1 is connected at X0, X3, X5 and X6, and all others are going to be at zeros. So we can write it as sigma M of 0, 3, 5, 6. So sigma M of 0, 3, 5, 6 is nothing but the function. Okay, so replace this one, that is 0 implies nothing but 0 0 0 in terms of 3 variables. So this can be written as F is equal to 0 is nothing but minterm 0 is nothing but C bar, B bar, A bar plus minterm 3 is nothing but 0 1 1. 0 is nothing but C bar, 1 1 is nothing but B A. Next 5 is nothing but 1 0 1, C B bar A plus 6 is nothing but 1 1 0. 1 1 0 is nothing but C B A bar. So this is what the expression for F. Okay, from this one take common C bar. C bar if you take, this is nothing but B bar A bar plus B A you will get, and from this one if you take C common, at that time this is B bar A plus B A bar. So from this one you can write it as C bar into B bar A bar plus B A, that implies nothing but B X NOR A plus C into B bar A plus B A bar, that is nothing but A exclusive B, and we know that one XR and XNOR are going to be complement of each other. So you can write it as F is equal to C bar multiplied by B XNOR A is nothing but complement of B XR A plus C into A exclusive B or B exclusive A, both are going to be same. So this is the function generated by this 8 to 1 multiplexer. So the right answer is nothing but D. Okay, the right answer is D for this question. Thank you.